Something's wrong with the steering wheel.
Where the hell am I?
Oh, something feels very weird. Those of you that didn't see part 1 of this video, please go back on our channel and view part 1. It's going to show you how we get it out of the creek, or how we get it through the creek and get it up to the trailer, and then watch this video. And this one's going to show you how we get it loaded and get it sent, or basically try to get it back to the farm so we can get the engine work completed on it so that it'll be running and functioning for Mr. Keevan.
Well, I think once you guys slow your bucket down, get you back on the ass and lift up and push. I think it'll push right on there. Yeah. True.
I'm pretty sure I didn't record it. The battery went dead.
Oh, goodness.
But the old Allis got her up there.
Yeah.
We weren't sure it was going to work.
Stuck right there. Is that dug down in that bank?
Oh, I'm sure with that extra weight it is.
All right, I'm gonna give her a shot.
All right, be easy on the old truck.
Yeah.
You see, I broke the handle this morning.
I seen that.
Can't have nothing nice.
Jam and the inside runnable.
Well, honestly, if that's all we broke today, I think we've done good.
Exactly right. Yeah. Exactly right. So if nothing else, like I said, we got it out of that creek bed and it's on a trailer.
Turn right, Jeremy. Might be able to get out. Stays out of them ruts. Nope.
Hang on, I'll push you.
Almost made it.
Almost.
Well, oops. Can't believe I didn't record that. Let me get out of his way so he can push. Right now, Keevan's pushing, his son's in the truck driving and Keevan's pushing on the back of the trailer. He's probably gonna have to push him when he goes around the other side too. Unfortunately, it's not in a good spot. A lot of mud. Did you guys see it? Allis lifted up the skid steer. I said, are we taking this to your
Yeah, go take
your shop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just wait and I'll follow you then. You
I'm
probably need.
gonna run back and get that stuff. You can go ahead and take off with the kids. If you want to meet us up there at the shop, then we'll figure out how we're gonna get it off from there. If you got time for that.
Well, I'll just follow you. Oh, because you're gonna need help anyways throwing it on there.
No, I can get
Pretty
that on
heavy.
there. Let that black guy's roll right up on there. Everything's on wheels.
Are you gonna leave the pallet out there?
No, I'm bringing the pallet back.
Well, actually, I guess yeah, you'd be able to scoop under it, I suppose.
Yeah, I just roll everything up.
Man, I can't believe I didn't record that. The camera turned off like right after we hooked up the chains.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Dang it. Yeah.
Jeremy, there's that big boomer in there. There's a...
So sorry, I forgot all about recording that. I thought it was still going and the battery went dead. Basically what we did was you saw that the two tractors were right there. We lifted it up, Jeremy backed the trailer up, and when he backed the trailer up, it was enough to get the front tires quite a ways on there. He even tried to lift it with the bucket on the New Holland at the back to push it on the rest of the way, and he couldn't get it up. So I used the Allis, lifted it up with the hay forks, was able to push it. We tried the New Holland first because usually if I lift something that's heavy with the forks, I don't have a lot of traction on those back tires. I don't have any weights back there. And then, you know, my tires aren't filled with fluid because we use that tractor for hayfield stuff. So we don't want it, we want it to be lighter, not heavier. We actually sold the weights that came with it when we bought the tractor. But it worked. I was a little surprised. I really thought that New Holland was going to be the answer in getting it in there. But either way, mission accomplished. It's going to help keep it out a lot. It's nice to have that skid steer. They're really, most of you probably know, the skid steers are incredibly useful. They're really kind of the cat's meow as far as a farm tool. You know, there's so many attachments that work for them. They're a little expensive, but you have one machine that can run so many attachments, and there's a lot of special ones. Like Keevan has one that's a shear. So basically, you can use it to clear your fence line. So you drive it in there under the fence line, and it's got these jaws, basically, and they're hydraulic jaws. Drive in there around the tree, clamp it, and cut them off. It's just stuff like that that's really useful. You can use it on a tractor too, but you'd have to run hydraulic lines up there for auxiliary for your bucket, and then also you'd have to have a the skid steer quick attach. I don't have that on mine. Even actually, I think he has one on his. But either way though, glad it's done. Glad I could finally help them out for once. It seems like Keevan's always helping me with something, so I finally got to give back. We're gonna go grab the John Deere. Can't turn it off because the batteries are bad on it. So if we turn it off, we'll have to jump start it again. So I'm gonna ride with him, grab the John Deere, bring it back. We'll throw the generator and stuff in the bucket of Keevan's tractor. And then we're gonna go to Keevan's shop and we'll unload it. So you'll see that in the next video. I promise it's gonna be on recorded. I can't believe I did that to you all. I'm sorry, but I really enjoyed myself today working with Keevan and his son Jeremy. My kids got to come out. It's a beautiful day out. It was really fun overall. hope you're enjoying the channel. If you are, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, hit that like button too. That helps us to be recognized and recommended to others that might be interested in this kind of stuff. So, thank you guys. Don't forget, hay season's coming, so you're gonna start seeing more and more equipment running on this channel. But have a blessed week. We'll see you next time. So those of you wondering, yes, I know how to drive a John Deere. Do I prefer to? Absolutely not, but I can. Oh, feels so weird in here. I don't mind John Deere tractors. They're pretty good tractors. But like this one, this tractor's a 92. It's made in Germany. You know, so this has been going on for years, and this isn't a smaller tractor. This is a 2755, so it's not like it's a 75 horsepower or less tractor. The problem is, in my eyes, is that John Deere wants you to think that they make everything here, and they don't. There's a lot of companies like that. Harley, Carhartt's a big offender. They make a very small percentage of their products in the United States. Very small. That's why I stopped buying them. But my rant's over now. Have I mentioned there's a difference between made in the USA and assembled in the USA? That's all I'm trying to say. You know, it's a good effort making things in the United States, or assembling them rather, but it's a better effort to make them in the United States. Rant over. I do feel honored to be driving this tractor. You all haven't seen him on this channel, but the first year I cut hay, Keevan's dad, Jim, who is a Korean veteran, he came out, he offered to come out and rake hay for me. And it was 90 some odd degrees, and he was on this, I think it was a Ford 4000, so no air conditioning, no breeze. I mean, the man's 90 years old. Then he was 88, I believe. But still, who does that? That's awesome. Jim, I hope you're watching this. Thank you very much for your service, and thank you for all the help you've done on our farm. And I appreciate your son's help too, and your grandson's. All right, we made it here safely. Minor tire issue.
I guess I need to get the truck.
safely. The center block's obviously broke. Whenever I lifted the front, it cracked a little bit. And then whenever I was trying to swing out so I could lower the front end without hitting my loader on the cab of the skid steer, it ended up sliding off of the center blocks. Didn't hurt nothing. The center blocks broke. Not a big deal. We were worried about the tanks more than anything. Those tanks right there at the back, you don't want them to get obviously a cut in them because it's hard to weld on them if they're full of like fuel or oil. Obviously either one's going to cause a fire. But it all went well. Couldn't have went better. I'm sorry again about the loading part. The loading part was way more entertaining. You know, it went good, but it was just seeing everything working together. It was just really nice. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. You know, we always have some entertaining stuff. And right now, this spring and summer and fall, that's the time that you're going to see the equipment more than anything on this channel. So if that's what you like, that's your time to see that. In the winter time, you'll see equipment a little bit, but it's more to do like maintenance or repairs. And then generally you'll see the little tractor that we use to feed. But again, thank you all. Have a great week. We'll see you next time. Stay blessed. What are you doing? You being a good girl? Freedom come. Freedom sit. Freedom sit. No, sit. Good girl, Freedom.